Go.
Hello. For this time, I'm going to show you how to access to the tools that you'll be needed to get the spare tire out of the vehicle. This is a 2016 MDX. What I'm going to show you applies to from 2016 MDX all the way to a 2020 MDX. All the other Acura SUVs may vary a little bit, but this is pretty much where the tires and tools are located. First of all, you just need to open your tailgate. Okay. I'll open your cargo storage cover. Open the layers right there. All the tools are well organized right here. The jacks, everything, all the tools. Unopen the plastic cover. That's where you access to the spare tire. What you needed is this L bar. Put it right here. Then you go counterclockwise. While you're doing that, your spare tire will be dropped to the ground with a metal chain attached, which I'll show you later how to get that tire put on the front passenger side. Hello, what I'm about to show you is all the tools that you'll be needed to get the spare tire replaced. Here they are. You got your compact size spare tire. You got your jack, L bar, the hip, and also you'll have the wheel lock key. What I'm going to show you, not all the Acura vehicle has wheel locks, but I'm going to show you where they are. If you're looking carefully, out of the 5 wheel locks, one is different than the rest of them. This is a wheel lock. In order to take off this wheel lock, you need a wheel lock key. Later I'm going to show you how to take off the spare tire. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use the L bar and the wheel lock to lose each individual wheel lock nuts. The reason why you need to do this before you jack up the car is while you're losing the wheel lock nuts, the less pressure compared than you put on the jack. You want to do this because less movement. For you to do it, just use the L bar, put it right there, counterclockwise, loosen individual wheel lock nuts. Until you find the one with wheel locks on it, use your key. Put your key right here, attach to the L bar, then you can lose that specific locked wheel lock. Alright, what I'm going to show is how to put a jack at the appropriate position of your vehicle. When you place the jack right here, you want to make sure the jack is put it towards, you see the cut right here out of your body side molding. You want to make sure the jack is positioned to hold on the frame, not on the body side molding or your suspension component, okay? You put it right here. You just need to raise up the jack, and by doing this, the jack can lift up the vehicle properly without causing any further damage. Once you have the jack in place properly, what you need to do is you're going to place your hook through the hole right here. Normally you're going to do this, do it clockwise. It's a little bit hassle. However, remember the L bar we mentioned to you earlier. On the L bar, there are 2 holes right here. Make sure you position one of them right here. Now, it's much easier for you to jack up the tire. While you're doing this, you want to lift up the vehicle. So when you see the tires lift up above the ground, this makes it easier for you to unattach the wheel. As you can see, I've already untied most of the lock nuts. Once you get the L bar to untie the lock, they're easy to be taken off. All you need to do is just remove each individual wheel lock nuts. Wheel lock nuts. Whoop. Make sure you know where they are. Put them somewhere safe. You need to slightly move the tire. There you go. The broken tire is off the vehicle. At this moment, Get wheel in your spare tire. Put it right here. Make sure it goes to each individual wheel thing. Once you put the spare tire on the vehicle, you want to make sure you put the first wheel nut right here so the tire won't fall off. Then, follow the sequence. Put all the rest of the wheel lock nuts onto the vehicle. You want to tie them as much tight as you can. Later, we have to lower down the vehicle, but I'll explain to you later. Wheel lock nuts. Okay. As you can see, they're easy to be put it on. What I'm doing is just trying to tie each individual wheel lock. Okay, from now on, grab your L bar. Make sure you do clockwise. Tie up each individual wheel lock nuts. Make sure they're tight enough. Now, for the very last one, we're going to use the lock. All down. Now you just need to lower the jack. Ready to go.
Go.
Now, as you can see, we lower down your vehicle. You just need to re-tighten up those wheel locks one more time. Make sure your tire is positioned well. Right? We still use an L bar. Okay, tight enough. Tight enough. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Each individual wheel lock nut has been retightened, and your car is ready to go. Off you go.